Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Iram Mushtaq and I'm an educator and a level 2 student at the Rehan AI Teacher Institute where I also serve as co-facilitator. I am also an educator. Today I am speaking to you from my virtual studio, the Reflection Room, where I create thoughtful reviews and learning insights. So, in this session, I am here to share a review and meaningful review of Salman Khan's TED Talk. And let's use video to reinvent education. So, I will highlight the idea that can inspire better teaching and learning for all of us. Let's begin with clarity and an open heart. Before moving toward the review, I want to introduce you with the speaker, TED Talk speaker, that's Salman Khan, founder of Khan Academy, a non-profit educational platform that provides free world-class learning to anyone, anywhere. He began his journey in 2004 by tutoring his cousins in mathematics through simple online videos on YouTube. What started as a small act of sport soon grew into a global movement and that transformed the way millions of people learn. Salman Khan is known for his clear teaching style, his belief in self paced learning, and his vision of making education accessible to every student, regardless of background or location. With his innovative approach, he introduced the idea of the flipped classroom, where students learn concepts through videos at home and use classroom time for practice, for guidance, and solving the problems and the collaboration with the teachers and with the students. Salman Khan is a graduate of MIT and Harvard Business School, and he combines deep academic knowledge with a passion for educational equality. So, moving toward the review of the TED Talk, which I saw, and I paste the link in the description of this review video. You can watch the TED Talk of Salman Khan in my description. The link is provided in my description. So, what Salman Khan is trying to say in the video? I made the points for it. Number one, origins and motivation. Salman Khan started tutoring his cousins in math. He made simple explanatory videos on the YouTube to help his cousin. Over time, many more people began to watching his video, and not just his cousin only. The small act of helping someone evolve into a broader vision, free, easily accessible education for everyone and everywhere. Numbers 2 point is self-paced learning. One of his main idea is that video allows self-paced learning. Students can pause, can repeat, and go over difficult concepts as many times as they need. This is very different from a traditional one-size-fit-all lecture in a classroom, which often moves at the teacher's speed, not necessarily the student's speed. Because of self-paced learning, students who initially seem slow on a concept may later race ahead once they master it, and students previously labeled as fast might not remain ahead forever. Third point he explained in his TED talk was the flipped classroom model. He proposed that flipping the traditional classroom, students watch lecture style videos at home, and class time is used for homework, to solve the problem, to collaborate, to create, and in classroom they can exercise each and every concept and they can solve the problem with the help of their teacher, with the help of their fellows. So, in this model, class time becomes more interactive and humanized and collaborative. Teachers walks around helping students discuss with their fellows. They can ask the questions and support each other. This change humanized the classroom. Rather than having a teacher lectures to 30 passive students, our students can actively engage, get help, and learn from each another. They can explain the concept to their fellows, and then they can ask the question. So, in this way, creativity can reach to its peak. Fourth point was the personalization and mastery. Because of self paced learning, each student can reach mastery before moving on. He argues this is more meaningful than just pushing students ahead based on time or schedule. Salman Khan emphasized that traditional labeling, slow and gifted, may rarely be a consequence of time constraints, not true ability. Fifth point was global and equal access. Salman Khan dreams of a global one world classroom. In his vision, a student in any part of the world can learn and even tutors others. I encourage the questions. If anyone watching me live, they can put their question in a comment box, and I will try to give answer to your question. So moving toward my next point, that is humanizing through technology. Contrary to the fear that technology dehumanizes education, Salman Khan argued that it can do the opposite, make classrooms more personal. By removing the generic lectures, teachers' time is liberated. They can spend almost 100% of their time in the classroom for in interaction with their students. They can coach them, they can guide them, and they can solve their problem. They can exercise combinedly. So this more individualized approach helps to address differences in students, which is difficult to do in the traditional education model. Seventh point is scalability and impact. Khan Academy model is scalable because video is replicable. Many more students can be reached than via traditional one-on-one tutoring. He believes in building a large-scale global educational ecosystem, not just for privileged students but for unprivileged adult learners or anyone who needs help. He also mentioned using game mechanics for motivation, such as badges, oh, leaderboards to encourage engagement and persistence. So, what we learn that learning should be customized, not one size fits all. Technology is a tool, not a threat. Teachers' role become more important, not less, and motivation matters. And global access is possible. Sixth point is mastery over speed. It is more valuable for a student to truly master a concept than just finish quickly. Labels like slow or gifted often come from how fast someone goes through standards curriculum, but that doesn't necessarily reflect their potential. Seventh point is human connection is essential. Even in a tech based models, the human touch, teachers or the class fellows, is very important, and technology can help free up time for meaningful human interaction. This is very important TED Talk because it is an educational innovation. It is it talk about accessibility, and it make high quality lessons or which are free absolutely. It includes scalability. The model is not limited to a single school. It can grow globally. And sustainability, once video are made, they can be reused, allowing continuous learning without starting from scratches. Empowerment, learners become more autonomous. They don't have to rely entirely on a teacher or a single program. So this is the review on the TED Talk of Salman Khan, which I saw. I highly encourage the questions. You can put your question in the comment box on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and on YouTube, and you can assess me. Thank you very much for your time, the people who are watching me live and the people who will watch my video in recording session. Take care yourself. I will come again with another review in my studio, the Reflection Room. Allah Hafiz.